My baby loves this toy. Meet the Hahaland Surprise Band.
It comes with 6 adorable animals, real animal sounds, fun textures.
And even a mirror for self-discovery.
Baby pulls the animals out one by one, feels the textures, listens to the sounds, and stays fully engaged.
We even grab our farm animal book and match each animal to the page. He gets so excited every time. If your baby is 6+ months and you want something truly engaging, not just loud, this might be a great fit. Link is in the description box.